الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to start the lesson number 2 of madani qaida with tajweed. Before starting this lesson, I do humble request to you to subscribe my YouTube channel for next videos. So, first of all, before starting, we should know the meaning of huruf murakkabat. We should know the meaning of huruf murakkabat. The word huruf mean letters. The word huruf mean letters and murakkabat mean compound letters. Huruf murakkabat compound letters. In this chapter, we will learn how read the letters in compound form. After learning this chapter, we will be able to identify the letters when the letters in combined form. Two or more letters combine to form a murakkab. Okay, two or more letters combine to form a murakkab. Pronounce each of the murakkab letters separately like mufridat letters. Don't read as la, ba, na. Okay, rather just read as lam, alif. Pronounce each of the murakkab letters separately like mufridat letters. Okay, ba just like ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif. Okay, make sure in this lesson also to pronounce the letters in established manner with Arabic accent. Absolutely compulsory. While reciting the Holy Quran, we should follow the Arabic grammars and rules. Otherwise, honestly, I am saying that there will be no advantage to recite the Holy Quran. When two or more letters are joined together in writing, when two or more letters join together in writing, their shape gets changed a little, just like the shape of ba, noon, ta. Okay. Usually, the head of letters is written and body is omitted. The head of letter is written and body is omitted, just like the head of ha is written and the body is omitted. The head of ha is written and body is omitted, and just like ha, ain, wain, swad. Okay. Identify the letters when are the same, which are the same when in compound form by the difference in the number of position in the number and position of dots. Okay, let's start. Alif, you will read with me. Okay, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, and this letter is ba. This letter is ba because ba having dots in bottom. Because ba having dots in bottom. Ba, alif, ba, alif. The purpose of this lesson is to identify the letters when the letters in combined form. Okay, this letter is known because known having dots at top. Okay, only one dot. Ba only one dots in bottom and noon only one dots at top. Noon, alif, noon, alif. Next, this letter is ta because ta having dot at top, having two dots. Okay, ta having two dots at top. Ta, alif, Ta alif. Next, this letter is ya because ya having two dots in bottom. Okay, ya having two dots in bottom. Ya alif, ya alif. Next, this letter is sa. Don't read as sa. We shall like high pitched sound should not be created while reading sa. Okay, this letter just read as sa. Sa alif. I'm repeating. This letter is read as sa. Don't read as sa. A vowel like high pitched sound should not be created while reading sa. Sa alif. This letter is sa because sa having three dots at top. Okay. This letter is sheen because uh, sheen having three dots at top. Sheen alif, sheen alif, seen alif. This letter is letter of spheria. It means while reading seen, a vowel like high pitched sound should be created. Seen. Okay? Seen. Seen alif, fa alif, fa alif, qaf. This letter is known as huruf musta'aliya, and this letter is read in thicker voice. Okay, qaf alif, qaf alif, jim alif, jim alif. This letter also known as huruf musta'aliya, and this letter also read in thicker voice. Ho alif, ho alif, ha alif, ha alif, ain alif, ain alif. Huruf musta'aliya also read in thicker voice. Ghain alif, ghain alif. حروف مستعلية. صاد ألف، صاد ألف. حروف مستعلية. ضاد ألف، ضاد ألف. حروف مستعلية. طا ألف، طا ألف. وا ألف، وا ألف. Uh, this letter is pronounced like tha. Okay, we shall like high pitched sound should not be created while reading wa. Don't read as zwa, just read as wa. Okay, mim alif, mim alif, ha alif, ha alif, kaf alif, kaf alif, lam ba, lam ba, kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf ta, kaf ta, kaf tha, kaf tha, kaf fa, kaf fa, qaf ba, qaf ba, sin lam, sin lam, shin lam, صاد لام، ضاد لام، فا لام، قاف لام، عين لام، غين لام، كاف لام، كاف نون، قانون، قانون، جيم دال، خا دال، حا دال، عين دال، غين دال، خا ذال، خا زا، حا غا، با غا، یا غا، قا غا، وا را، با میم، نون میم، تا میم، یا میم، ثا میم، شین میم، لام جیم، عین جیم، حا جیم، با جیم، با عین، یا غین، نون صاد، فا صاد، قاف ضاد، با سین، یا سین، تا سين فا قاف 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 شين قاف سين قاف عين قاف حا قاف لام كاف فا كاف قاف كاف قاف كاف قاف كاف كاف واو ها واو ميم واو با يا نون يا تا يا يا همزة واو همزة يا با تا نون تا 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 يا تا عين قاف فا واو با لام با ها میم با عین دال عین با دال ح میم دال ها لام کاف یا ها با خا فا فا میم نون ح سین نون فا همزه تا سین خا قا خا لام قاف فا لام قاف عین لام قاف نون صاد غا قاف تا لام یا لام جیم تا جیم دال قاف با عین با لام غین نون فا سین جیم نون تا سين همزة لام قاف سين قاف صاد فا تا شين ميم سين خا شين يا غين يا غا غين با غا ميم قا را عين شين غا عين سين غا واو لام لام شين كاف را با سين ميم. This letter sorry this chapter are completed. Now if you have any queries confusion regarding this lesson, so you may ask in comment box, and inshallah I will give the positive response. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.